Installing the worn mid-frame winch into an ARB Bull Bar Bumper. Worn M8000, XD9000, 9.5 XP, 9.5 XDC, Tabor, and Magnum winch models feature a control pack that can be attached to the winch or remotely mounted, allowing for various winch mounting options. This video will guide you in installing the winch and control box into an ARB bumper. We also recommend you read all product literature before installing the product. ARB offers bull bars for a variety of vehicles. We are fitting this bumper into a Nissan Xterra. Follow the ARB installation instructions for your vehicle prior to doing any modifications to your winch. Rotating the winch gear housing and the clutch lever. Before mounting the worn winch, the motor and gear train will need to be rotated. The first step is to draw an alignment mark with a Sharpie on the end housing and ring gear. For this bull bar application, the clutch lever will be rotated 144 degrees, or 4 mounting bolt holes counterclockwise. Place the winch on the motor end with the gear housing up. Remove the 10 Allen head screws. Then lift the end housing about 3/16 of an inch, or 5 millimeters. Now rotate the housing 4 mounting bolt holes 144 degrees counterclockwise. Replace the 10 Allen head cap screws and tighten. Rotating the winch motor. Loosen the 2 winch motor bolts and pull them out about 1 inch or 25 millimeters. Pull the motor from the drum support about 1/4 of an inch or 5 millimeters. Look for the alignment pin at the top of the motor. Rotate the winch motor 90 degrees clockwise and slide the alignment pin into the hole. Tighten the 2 bolts. ARB control pack bracket installation. First, remove the worn control pack bracket by removing the 2 nuts. Install the ARB control pack bracket using these same nuts. Winch installation into bull bar. Slide the 4 square nuts into the feet of the winch. Place the winch onto the bumper and align the mounting holes with the winch. Thread the upper 2 bolts through the bumper and into the feet of the winch. When correctly installed, the winch clutch lever will be visible through the access hole. Control pack installation. Route the winch motor cable through the bull bar opening to the winch motor terminals. Mount the winch control pack to the top of the ARB bumper using the hardware included with the bumper. Slide the terminal boots onto each of the motor cables and attach them to the winch motor. The cables are labeled A, F1, and F2. Match the cables to the motor terminals. When tightening the motor terminal nuts, make sure the motor terminal does not spin. Route the ground wire from the control pack to the motor ground bolt at the bottom of the winch motor. Connect the ground wire and negative battery cables to the winch motor ground bolt. Install the winch fairlead to the lower mounting holes following the instructions included with the ARB bumper. Final installation steps. Install the bumper and winch assembly to the vehicle. Route the battery cables from the winch to the vehicle's battery. Zip tie and secure electrical cables. Attach the winch battery cables to the vehicle's battery terminals. With the clutch engaged, power in the winch rope while making sure drum is turning in the proper direction. Once you have confirmed winch rope is winding on the drum in the correct direction, continue to power in the rest of the winch rope. Follow instructions to properly stretch your rope. Installation is now complete.